Hi guys, good morning. So I'm trying out a few different places to shoot my YouTube videos in the house and around the house. Right now I'm outside my house. I don't know if you can tell, there's the lift, here's the door. So let's just see how this turns out and let's see if maybe my hair looks better like this. Okay, anyway, so today is all about LinkedIn and I'm going to show you how to make your LinkedIn profile amazing and how to optimize it. Now, the most important thing that you must keep in mind for today's class is that you do everything I tell you, okay? Take action, do, 100% execution, because there is absolutely no point for you to listen to this if you don't take action at all. Okay, now if you're confused, you can open LinkedIn on another tab, your own account, or you can go to my account. It's Rutuja Bandi on LinkedIn. You'll see me, you'll see the red profile picture. Of course, I love red. So we're going to talk about three areas of LinkedIn, okay? We're going to talk about optimization, SSI sales score, and we're going to talk about content you can use and you can upload on LinkedIn. Let's talk about SSI score first. I do not know the full form, so guys, please search for it. I tried memorizing it, but I always forget the full form. An SSI score is basically where LinkedIn tells you how much you've improved. So it's kind of like insights on Instagram, but not exactly insights. It's like a before and after, right? So before you optimize, you need to go check your SSI score, and then you need to check your SSI score after you optimize. Okay, so I think the website is LinkedIn slash sales slash SSI, but I'll put it below in the description. I cannot remember the details, guys, so bear with me, but I'll put everything in the description for you. So go to the SSI score and then look at what your score is and what are you the top 10 in your industry, are you the top 80, are you the top 70, right? And take a screenshot of this. Now tomorrow I'm going to be on my laptop and I will show you how exactly to read it, but right now take a screenshot and keep it in your phone. Okay, now let's go to optimization. Basically, LinkedIn is a professional platform. Okay, so the key things to remember are explain what you do properly, don't use short forms. Two important things. Okay, the first thing you need to do is your profile picture. It has to be a close-up profile picture. Your face must take up 70 to 80% of the frame and you must be smiling if you smile a lot like me. If you don't smile a lot, then it's fine, but you have to have a plain background. So you can either edit the background with background remover, remove the background. Okay, so let's talk about the profile picture. The profile picture, like I said, I kind of sidetracked because somebody opened the door. But anyway, the profile picture has to be smiling. You can use background remover to remove the background, and you can put in your brand colors as well. You can get a little bit creative, but just keep in mind it's a professional platform, so your picture must look professional. Okay, now the headline. A headline is what describes you. So if you want, go to my LinkedIn account and copy everything I did, go through each section and just put in your own words about your own business, right? So the headline has to be Rutuja Bandi, social media consultant or marketing consultant or social media manager or Instagram expert or brain mapping expert or fitness expert, right? Whatever you want. And then you talk about yourself. Oh, okay, in the headline you can add a few keywords which you can search, which is for search engine optimization, and a few hashtags as well. Okay, and then you talk about your summary, your about section. I think you have a 2000 word limit, but make sure you tell everyone, give your introduction, what you do, why you do it, why they must come to you, why you're amazing, who is the target audience you are looking to work with, right? Some of your wins, some of your own personality. So these are some of the things you could talk about in the about us section. If you want, you can drop me a DM on Instagram or drop me a comment with your questions, and I will try and answer everything. Okay, now next you need to fill in your education system. Make sure you fill in, the purpose of education system is it connects you from people from your same college or institute which you never knew about them, but they could turn into huge opportunities, right? Like for example, you say, hey, I see that we were in the same batch, you know, would you love giving me your opinion on my business? Maybe we could work together, right? It could turn out into a partnership. And then you look at the volunteer and skill section. Make sure you fill in every single skill and every single volunteering work you've done in the past, okay? Endorsements, ask people to endorse you for the skills you have. LinkedIn is really easy, but a lot of people don't put the effort to use LinkedIn properly. So it's very easy to be in the top percentile, you know, the top even 20 people using 20% people using LinkedIn. So optimize your profile correctly and you are going to make a lot of money using LinkedIn. Okay, recommendation. This is the most important part. Recommendations are where people know that you are a genuine human person, right? I love saying human person because people forget that people are human. So ask your friends, colleagues, you know, any of the projects you worked with in the past to give you recommendations as a testimonial to your character, right? To tell the world that, listen, Rutuja is amazing, this is what she does amazingly, and this is her thing, right? So ask for recommendations, but give recommendations as well. Interests. Okay, the last part is interests. You can of course fill in some of your interests. Make the profile as personable, as fun as possible. Also the banner image, I forgot to tell you about the banner image. It's right behind the profile. You'll see that long rectangle box, right? So go to my profile and you'll see my banner image, and you can design a similar banner image on Canva. Talk about what are your strengths and weaknesses, what you do, and also call to action. You could also add your website and you could add a customized profile link, but I will talk to you about that later. Let's not complicate it so much. Let's keep it simple and easy. So do these 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, and then tomorrow we will talk about a little bit, you know, technical. I'll be on my laptop and I'll just go through everything I've explained today, tomorrow as well, and a little bit more in detail. Okay, now content types. There are some content types you can use, you can upload on LinkedIn. So the first content type are blog posts, right? So if you have a website and you've been writing blogs, you can easily put that on LinkedIn as articles or documents, right? A document is basically like a book. It's like, you know, you can flip pages on LinkedIn, which is really cool. And an article is more like a blog, so you can do that. You can upload your industry specific statistics, which say, okay, this industry is doing this as compared to this, blah blah blah, all that, right? And then you can upload some news, whatever is happening in your industry, the latest. You can have educational content. If you're especially a coach or a counselor, how to content or something, you know, providing value, something that people share with each other. And of course my favorite are quotes, okay, because they're the easiest to do and they get the most engagement all the time. I don't know why that is. So you can use a lot of quotes. Now I really want to talk to you about LinkedIn strategy a little bit before we start tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to be covering a laptop view of LinkedIn, and I'll explain everything in detail. I'll explain how to do the Boolean search method and how to have a custom profile link, and I will also explain how to make connections and how you can use LinkedIn, right? What are the strategies? Why is LinkedIn used? How can you pitch people on LinkedIn? I am hoping to cover that, but I don't want to make it super complicated for you. Okay, awesome. So of course, like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on LinkedIn. Actually, drop me a connection on LinkedIn if you find me and follow me, and I will connect with you. I'll accept your connection. And guys, have a great day. Thank you so much for listening to me.